short list distance. Yeah. So, but you have check valve in place. More temperature, no credible scenario. Less temperature, no pressure. We have seen. Where? Blower. Blower temperature.
Switch. The temperature switch.
At the blower, huh?
Yes.
But what is the reason of high temperature?
He will give alarm to.
No. What is the cause of high temperature? Overload. Why there is a need for TS? And what is the causes for the temperature high? The causes means whether the blower is running at overload, or it is the frictioning, it is rubbing each other.
Temperature is required because of compressed air temperature is going more than 110 degrees centigrade, and if it's same is going.
That is compressed. This is process requirement.
Yeah, you have to control the ventilation system to maintain the temperature inside the room.
Okay. This is a box. Okay, understood.
Degree from the ambient.
Okay, understood. So ambient temperature. During summer,
winter, anything.
Yeah, all right. Noted. Potential damage. Damage to the blower fan. You have 3C and you have TAH, right? TSH. TSH is there.
Temperature switch.
T switch in place to trip, right? Okay, that's good. Very good. Less temperature, no credible scenario. More pressure we have seen, less pressure we have seen. Level, no additional concern.